You've never had boba rice? Boba tea ramen?
Yeah!
Good morning, my loves. Welcome back to today's vlog. This is a veggie straw, I swear. Welcome back to today's vlog. My voice is not holding up. I just want to preface this entire vlog by saying if I sound like I have been smoking cigarettes for the past 23 years of my life, that is absolutely false. That is not the truth. But what's actually happening is, I don't know if you guys remember, but like a couple weeks ago, we were traveling a lot and I just got super sick, and it just felt like
the jaws of life have clenched onto my esophagus. My inner throat workings were being ripped to shreds by a meat cleaver.
This reminds me so much of Pig Latin. You have to learn the pattern. So I'm gonna say some words in Pig Latin, and if you guys don't know Pig Latin, I'm gonna literally put the words right here so that you guys understand the rules. But I wanna see if you know Pig Latin, because I used to speak Pig Latin with all of my friends.
I'm actually trilingual. I speak English, Korean, and Pig Latin, okay?
And so I have a list of pre-approved words. Pig Latin.
P-I-G?
Yeah, it's called Pig Latin. Udfe.
Huh?
Absne. Unfe. Imingsue. Able.
Wait, are you talking to me?
Yes! Elope. Elope. What is elope?
Elote?
No!
Elope!
Guys, it's elope.
Uh-huh.
Okay? Say the word and I'll transfer it into Pig Latin.
Hello?
Elohe.
Okay. You're weird.
Ooh yay. Eared way.
What?
Hat way. That way. That way. That way.
Give me another one.
Yes.
S yay.
S. Yay. Coffee.
Afike. Udfe. What does udfe mean? Udfe. Also, did you know that's a new dance people do now?
What?
They go like this. I don't know what that means though.
We did that dance.
Did we? Oh, is that the dance?
I have no idea.
The Dan Tyler, he literally goes. And I'm like, oh, that's where you learned how to drive. I'm just kidding. Dan, if you're watching this, don't be mad. Okay, your mom told us what happened that day.
What?
He got into a car accident and got his car totaled.
Oh,
Cause that's how he was driving. I'm just kidding.
Tiffany.
What?
Tiffany.
No!
Oh, Tiffany.
No!
Tiffany?
It's not Tiffany. Okay, Stephanie and Pig Latin. No, you just
Do
sound
it.
like a valley girl.
Do it.
Tiffany, I
Okay,
told you.
What is it?
Stephanie would be Tiffany say. This is what kids
Why?
would use to communicate with other kids when parents were in the car, because you couldn't drive nowhere, and so you'd be in a car full of parents, and then you wanted to say like John loves cake. You'd say
Anje Able 8K.
and then you'd always have that one kid that's like, wait, what? Like she said? Yeah, it was me.
Oh, goodness. What'd you say?
Who's John?
Just kidding, we're not gonna. That was the steering wheel, just so you guys know.
No, that's what I would get.
Oh, you again?
I would get smacked in the face.
Obviously, you guys can see from the title of this is gonna be about
Boba tea.
we're gonna be making boba rice, honey. I called you here so we can make boba rice.
What the hell is boba rice?
A boba rice. You've never had boba rice?
I'm gonna make fried rice with boba.
Yes.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, I postmated my favorite boba tea, which I realized that Alfred's Tea has amazing boba tea, and we are going to make a boba tea rice. I found this on Instagram the other day on the Explore page. Some weird shit goes down on my Instagram Explore page, which by the way, my mom has no idea that Instagram has an algorithm, and so she thinks I'm
Super famous.
because the only person she follows on Instagram is me, and the only videos and pictures she picks on the Explore page is like fan edits of me, and so she's like,
Oh my god, like it's crazy. Like you're all over Instagram.
and I'm like, Mom, no. And then she's like literally when I
She literally
go,
goes on the homepage of Instagram.
Oh my god.
she's like,
I think you're like going viral right now.
she thinks I'm like really popular and famous, and like she tells all her friends, and then all her friends go on Instagram and they're like,
What a liar. I always see my son.
so some weird shit goes down on my Instagram Explore page, and I came across this video of a woman making not Chinese fried rice, I'm sorry, boba fried rice, but she was Chinese. She was a Chinese woman making boba fried rice.
The Chinese woman
Yes.
making boba rice.
And so I've decided that I'm gonna recreate it. Now I did some research. I thought, okay, do I just get some cooked rice, throw it into a pan, add some boba tea as like, you know, I don't know, flavoring as the soy sauce of things, all of that jazz, right?
No, bitch.
You cook rice in a rice cooker with boba tea instead of water. So you know how you make rice, you wash it with water? So you continue washing it with water, and then instead of filling it with water, you fill it with boba tea and
That's
boba.
freaking weird.
So we're gonna put boba tea in. And now I was thinking, okay, maybe I should get it without the boba teas and then add the boba on top after the rice is cooked. But no, I did my research and people say to put the tapioca balls, the boba balls, into the rice cooker to get cooked with your rice. And I heard it's almost like eating an 8 treasure sticky rice, but made out of boba.
I like that.
Okay. So I've got 4 different flavors of boba. It takes about an hour to cook each flavor of rice. I'm gonna do 4 different rounds. This is gonna be an all-nighter because I don't know if you guys can tell, it's definitely not morning outside. I'm sorry. I've been trying to like clean and do some like adulting all day today, so it's,
That's not
do I look
fair.
like I? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. You look so annoyed. You're gonna help me make it. If this works out, I'm gonna do a mukbang on it. I even heard of people making it boba tea ramen, so stay tuned for that.
Boba tea.
It's a whole ass thing. Ho ho ho. Ho ho. Me shook this morning. This was me. Wow.
They look good though.
They look so good. So I didn't realize that Alfred's tea
Wow, they're
room
so colorful.
has such good boba tea. So I wanted to get different colors. I don't know how the colors are gonna react because I feel like they might all just turn brown. But if you could get out the rice cooker that we haven't used since we moved here, that'd be greatly appreciated.
So I have 4 different flavors. I have obviously the matcha Alfred's tea. This one's gonna be interesting because a lot of these have some sort of like honey substance at the bottom, and I don't know if that's gonna be okay. But
We're just kind of winging it. Let me try this one.
Do we have rice? We have rice? Honey! Oh, that's rice.
Honestly, babe, like who do you think I am? Of course we have rice. I came prepared.
You know what this says on there?
What?
Boba means national treasure.
Oh my god.
I have a national treasure. Look at that.
No. National treasure usually refers to panda.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah. When you say national treasure, it's panda.
Is panda the Chinese
Yeah.
animal? Like we
Yeah.
have the American eagle
Yeah.
in America?
Yeah, Panda China Panda Express. Yeah,
What?
you look like a panda.
National treasure is here to save the day. So we've got matcha, we've got regular milk, honey. Which one should we start with? Oh my god, Alfred is so aesthetically pleasing. It says, "You're my cup of tea."
No.
What do you mean? And this one is their hashtag pink drink. That's the name of it. When you order it, you can't say, "Can I get a pink drink?" You have to say,
Can I get a hashtag pink drink?
"Welcome to 2019."
Okay.
Oh, so good.
Can I try?
So good. This one is some sort of turmeric.
Oof. That's weird.
Oh, this one's weird. I don't think we're gonna like it in our boba tea. Can you not
Ooh,
take
that's
the
weird too.
biggest gulps? I need to save it for the rice. Okay?
Oh my god.
Can you? He's drinking all of it.
Oh my god.
Can you?
I don't like it.
All right. No, we don't wash it in.
We don't wash in this?
No.
I wash in this.
No, that's why it's ruined.
Honey, in China, we wash in this.
That's why you have to buy a new one every time. Because when you scratch the bottom, you have to buy new ones.
Rice won't scratch the bottom.
Yes, it does. Look at why there's so many scratches at the bottom.
That's not from rice.
Yes, it is.
My mom says you always have to get a colander.
Are you telling my mom she's wrong?
Oh, you're right.
I am right, right?
I
Yeah.
think you do wash in this.
Yeah, you dumb dumb.
Are we doing 1 cup?
Yeah.
Do you know how to make rice?
I know how to make rice. Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna make the best rice.
You make the best rice?
Yeah, you make the worst rice. You add so much water into the rice. What are you doing?
Oh, oops.
Yeah. Now you always wash it with cold water.
Why? Why is there boba here? Is that boba? Why is there boba in here?
Oh my god, that's so weird.
Why?
You don't need to know why.
That's so weird.
I had boba tea yesterday and I didn't get you one.
Oh.
And so I threw it away when I was done with a little bit of boba left.
Alright. Next time I'll order you one.
You want to just wash it until it's clear. Get rid of all of the dirt. Oh my gosh, did you used to do this
Honey,
as a kid?
I feel like you're wasting water. My Chinese grandma would not approve this.
Sorry, that's how my mom taught me to do it.
Good.
Oh my god, can we do a contest?
What?
Who do you think can hold water in their hands the longest?
Honey, we don't got time for this.
I'm gonna dump all the rice.
Honey!
And you don't put water in. So normally you put water. Which one should we do? Which one should we do first? I'm thinking not the yellow because I want to see some sort of drastic change. Should we go with the classic? So who's
How
gonna
much
stick
is
their
that?
hand in there?
Ew.
Typically, if you guys have never cooked rice in the true Asian fashion, what you do is you fill rice at the bottom and then you fill it with water. And then you put your hand in like this and then you put it to touch the rice and the water usually has to come up to here.
Why is that? It's such a weird method because you can easily just use some kind of measurement.
You know where it got started?
Where?
I have a speculation that it all started because you know when you're a kid, you always ask,
But why? But why? But why?
right? And so I imagine an old Asian mom putting water into the rice thing and she's not really measuring it because she's done it so many times. And then the kid is like,
But why?
and then she goes, and then he's like,
But how do you know?
and she goes, because you do this shit. And she was just playing around. But then like now it's become like an urban legend and now everybody does it.
Now every Asian does it.
I believe it was an Asian troll mother. It's me as a future mother. I am going to fill this with milk tea.
Wait. Honey. Ew. That's
Who's
good.
gonna stick their hand in there?
I'm not sticking my. Ew.
Honey, you have to.
Ew.
Honey, you have to.
Honey.
Honey, you stick it in with water. Why can't you stick it in with milk tea?
I don't want to
Okay,
drink
that's
that.
good.
And then what about the boba?
And then scoop out all the boba.
Ew, that is disgusting.
Whoa, the boba's really bouncy on this one. They said get all the boba.
Are you
It's the
supposed to
best
mix
part.
it?
No, they said it'll all just kind of.
I don't think anybody loves boba this much.
You know what? It looks good already though. I'm gonna wash my sticky ass hands. Stop sticking her out. What are you doing? You with your one hand on your waist like an old Asian dad. So disapproving right now. Okay, let it go.
None of this looks appetizing.
Now we just have to stick it into the rice cooker as normal per usual. Close that beets up and then you want to turbo her. Turbo, that means it's gonna cook it real fast, real quick. I heard it starts smelling really good, like you're baking cookies, but boba and rice and not in the oven. So nothing like baking cookies. It smells burning.
How long does it take?
Usually like an hour. We got 3 more flavors to go, so expect a long night. You guys think it's all cute and stuff. Oh my god, couples who vlog together, but in reality, this is him. That's what I see right now. You guys see, but in reality, I see. It's been like an hour. She's done. I haven't opened her. I have been waiting. I've been waiting for my fiance for like the past 10 minutes. I've been dying to open her up. Are you guys ready? What the fuck?
Oh my god. So
I heard that this
creepy.
was gonna happen. I heard that
Can I
all
smell
the
it?
tapioca was gonna gather into a
Oh
circle
my
at the
god,
top.
Smell this. This
Can you
is
please
so
hold it?
weird.
Okay, wait. Should we not even try it? Okay, wait. I gotta try it.
Okay, get some tapioca.
Ew! Ew! So gross. So gross.
This doesn't taste good. That's it. Describe it. Okay, this is not good.
I feel like you'll like it.
What does that mean?
It's really not that hot. Don't be dramatic. He's all like,
I'm so dainty.
Why does it taste like coffee?
look at this tapioca. Like it's like so overcooked. It's kind of melty. Do you guys see that right now?
Whoa.
Why are they all gathered at
I
the
think
top?
they're wrong with these.
I will say that this entire house smells like if you were to burn a strong cup of Earl Grey tea. So it turns
It has a-
really brown. Do you think that the other ones will turn out other colors? Like if we do
Yeah.
green, you think it'll be
Yeah.
green and the pink will be pink?
That would be cool.
Should we do pink next or green?
Yeah, let's do pink.
Why are you in silence?
I'm showing them how gross this looks.
Other people have done less and it didn't turn out as brown, as colorful.
You want even more.
Yeah, I want it to be really pink.
Holy moly.
That looks like just Pepto.
Ew.
It's so cold.
Why is your hand pink too? Did it? What happened to your hand?
I don't
Why
know.
does it look? Oh, my hand's pink too. What the heck?
If you want to mix that.
Okay.
No, you don't want to mix the boba in this time?
You want my hand in there?
No, with the spoon.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This guy. I'm so excited for this one. She's in, she's popped, she's loaded. See you in an hour. Are you ready?
I am.
It's been like 2 hours. I'm exhausted. I'm ready for this pink. What's going on in the middle?
Whoa!
Ew, there's some sort of.
Yeah, that is too gross.
It's actually so
Please eat
gross.
it. Please eat
No,
it. Please eat
honey.
it. What happened though? Okay, what
Is
happened to
it
the pink?
Whoa!
I Are you gonna try it?
I really don't want to.
Oh my god, look at the girl. You put this in front of the girl, she's shook.
She's
Who is this?
You don't know Alice in Wonderland, bro?
This is Alice in Wonderland?
Yeah. And
Because
this is
that would
the
be...
baddest bit. Okay, sorry.
Are you sure that's Alice?
Yeah, and I'm the baddest boba bits.
Guys,
This looks really gross. Can I have a bite?
please finish it.
Actually, I'm gonna make another one and then I'm gonna try them all three at the same time.
You can't eat it, huh?
For the matcha. It's not that I
You're
can't eat
too scared,
it.
huh?
I'm not scared. You got boba rice everywhere, dude. Jeez Louise.
This is a sign. Honey! Oh my gosh.
Okay, so here in this bowl, did I get boba on my lens? I feel like I did. I'm gonna add in the rice.
Can I try this before you do this?
Yes. Wait, there's matcha layer on top. I don't know if you want that. Okay. Takes a fat sip of just straight matcha, bro.
Okay, so this is drinkable.
What does that mean?
So you don't even measure it anymore.
No.
You just throw the whole thing in there.
Look at the... Oh, hey, pretty lady. Ooh, she thick. Ooh, she jiggly.
You think this one's gonna be green?
No.
The next morning.
And it's the morning time. I still have not opened her up. I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel like I've been so good at like not... This looks
is-
gross.
This is actually my favorite so far.
Why? It's
Uniform.
making me so itchy.
It is making me itchy.
I need to move it out of this
Take
bowl.
a closer look, guys.
No, stop. It's gonna make it so itchy.
This is no longer boba.
Ew, ew. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is
Hi.
Stephanie and today we are back
Oh my
with
God.
another dun-dun mukbang. Just kidding, I tried to do a mukbang, but then this presentation was not the best. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I dead ass, don't look at my sideburns. You know I used to get bullied for this in middle school and high school? People said I was a man because I had sideburns, and you know what? I'm a man because I got a big ass that you can suck on. Bitch, don't be a bully. They made me so insecure about my sideburns that I used to try to shave it down, and then you know you made me love my sideburns. It's because he said because I have such a big face, it naturally contours, it frames your face to make it look smaller. And then now I'm like, really? And I'm like applying biotin on it.
Just say you had a big face, that's all.
Look, there's
What kind of
literally
blush should I put on there?
boba tea. Let's try it. So in front of me, we have the hashtag pink drink, hashtag the matcha latte, hashtag the regular milk tea with boba. I will say that this one looks the grossest, and I feel like it's because we left it into the rice cooker after it was done cooking, because we fell asleep last night. Ew.
My. It tastes like rice cake now. Like a really sticky rice cake.
Oh, this one is not bad. I feel like it was worse when it was super hot. But I let it cool. I microwaved it just now to warm it back up, but I didn't like get it steamy, and it's not bad.
You know what boba is made out of?
Tapioca flour, because it's a tapioca ball.
Okay, smarty pants.
Let me try this hashtag pink drink.
What, this one's weird?
It's weird.
Okay, these two taste almost the same.
Oh god. This one's weird. It tastes chemically. Ooh, I like this one. This one tastes
You know
like
what?
a...
This is not terrible. I feel like the more I eat it, the more I like it.
This one tastes like a Korean matcha rice cake dessert.
I
It's
feel like
the
if I don't
outside layer.
look at it,
Yeah, looking at it makes it gross.
it's
Like,
really gross.
do you
looking
guys
at
see this boba?
it. No, look at this.
Ew, no.
So did this turn out better than you thought or worse than you thought?
Worse. I'm gonna choke on this boba.
Oh, she dramatic.
That's gonna be it for today's video. I would not recommend that you guys do this at home because, well, because it makes your rice cooker smell really weird. It made our entire apartment smell like burnt breakfast tea. The boba looks creepy. If you have like the fear of the holes, this is not a good plan. This is not good for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments if I were to create my own boba rice shop. See, like that's a good marketing thing.
Forget about cheese pool.
Boba pool. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I'll